How to put your Facebook on private. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I'll show you how you can put your Facebook account as a private account, so you want to make sure to simply watch the video till the end. Now before we get to this video, you have to understand one thing, that is that Facebook does not have a definitive toggle directly to switch from private to public account, just like you have on TikTok and Instagram. Very simple, you just need to tap on that single toggle to switch between private and public accounts. But on Facebook you have to customize each of the privacy settings manually, so I will show you where you can get that option. Now in some of the regions you have the option to lock your profile by default, but I get it that even after using VPN and virtual private networks and other connection services, you're not being able to lock your profile, because as you can see in my case as well, I'm not being able to lock my profile. So what you want to do is, instead I can offer you some of the solutions, such as how you can transfer and then customize each of the settings manually that you would like. So for that, you first of all want to come to the menu page, scroll down to the bottom, go to settings and privacy, and then here you want to go to privacy shortcuts. Once you go to privacy shortcuts, here you want to go to the option called see more privacy settings, and once you go to see more privacy settings, there are a couple of things that you can customize. For example, who can see your future posts? You can make this private if you want, such as only me, friends, public, and so on. You can also limit who can see your past posts, which means some of the posts that you've already posted, you can just limit it if you want to. After that, who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. Then for this, you can just select the option called manually. If you're setting it to private, of course you can set it to only some of your friends, or only yourself, or only some except friends as well. Who can see your stories? Similar option that you'd like. Who can see your future reels? Whatever else that you want. Who can choose your topic preferences in reels? You can just do that anything as you'd like. And how people can find and contact you, such as who can send you friend requests, is one of the most important thing that I'm assuming that you're going to take into account. So you can just tap on the option called who can send you friend requests. You can select friends of friends or everyone, but of course you can limit that to friends of friends. And then after that, you can go to all these options, such as who can look you up using email address and so on. But keep in mind that these are the options that you should manually check yourself. It's not because of me that you have to do this option, but check the manual options yourself and see which option suits best for you. Hope this video helped you as to how you can put your Facebook account on private. But as I said, we do not have a definitive toggle like Instagram and Snapchat or maybe TikTok that allows us to directly switch from private to public account. We have to customize the settings manually. Hopefully this video helped you answer your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.